So Sony released a new pair of true wireless earbuds last month, and they are very unique as well. The ones that we're talking about are the Sony LinkBuds. These are a pair of truly open in-ear headphones, which means that you can talk to your friends and buddies, and you still know what's going on in your surroundings. Alright guys, these ones come in at a price of around 180 euros over here in Germany, and I'm not quite sure if that price is fitting since they are not perfect. Okay guys, let's start with some basics. And the Sony LinkBuds are available in two different colors. Now you can either get them in this mint white version, or you can get them in all black, so nothing fancy going on over here. The case and earbuds actually consist out of recycled plastic, and the box in which they came in is free of plastic as well. It may not be the prettiest, but it's the best for the environment, so thumbs up for that, Sony. Alright guys, as I already told you, these earbuds have a very unique design. So instead of sitting right in your ear, they sit right in front of the ear. And that's the way your sound sounds as well. So the music's not going right into your head. It's more like you're sitting right next to a boombox and listen to music that way. And it's a very unique way of listening to music. I always was used to listen to my Huawei in-earbuds with noise cancelling, and that's a totally different story. As you can see, we have a little rubber going around the earbuds with a little lash, so they fit a little bit better in your ear. In the box you get quite a few of these in different sizes between XS and XL. I think I'm wearing the large version even though I have very small ears. Alright guys, the LinkBuds are IPX4 water resistant, so you can wear them while it's raining or if you are sweating. And that actually leads me right to my next point. Don't get these ones if you intend to do any sports like running or something like that. Maybe it's because of the form of my ears, but first, they come out pretty easily if you're jumping up and down too much like when you're running. And second, if you turn up the volume, everyone around you knows what you are listening to. And you do have to turn up the volume since you have no noise cancelling. So for example, in a train or in a crowded place, everyone around you knows what you're listening to, and it's so loud that you have to turn up the volume very high to understand the words that you hear in your podcast or the songs that you're listening to. Alright, there are some more minor things that I would like to talk about. So if you go to the app and check out the settings, you will find something called Speak to Chat. It's a cool idea that the music stops whenever you are talking, but it's just not the right feature for me. Sometimes I just feel the music too good and I start singing and then the music stops, and that's very annoying. Alright, next up we've got the controls. And they are very good on the LinkBuds. Depending on which side, you have different controls. If I double tap my right butt, I start and stop the track, and if I triple tap it, it skips to the next song. As for my left side, I've got my Google Voice Assistant. So double tapping starts it, and you can do all kinds of things, like texting your friends on WhatsApp, start calls, start workouts, and all of these cool things. And I love the fact that I can text friends via WhatsApp. That's hands down the best feature that you can get on your earbuds. And if I triple tap my earbud, Google Voice Assistant reads all of my newest notifications to me. But all of these settings are fully customizable, so you can change the size of the functions or address new functions to them, like volume control, quick access, or if you don't like Google, you can go with the Alexa voice assistant as well. A little nifty feature I have not mentioned about the earbuds and the control settings yet is that you can actually widen the area of effect of your earbuds. So if you put in our earbuds, you do not have to tap the earbuds directly to control them. So you can actually have the space between your ear and your cheeks somewhere right here and tap it right there. And that works great as well. I never had any problems with it, but I don't know when this feature comes in handy. So maybe if you have a hat on and your ears are covered up and you just tap your cheek. And as usual, you have a whole bunch of audio settings to play around with as well. If we talk about the battery life, we can expect something like 5 to 6 hours of battery life out of it. And the case provides us with another 12 hours. And that makes like something like 2 extra full charges. Now, if we are in a hurry, we only have to charge our earbuds for about 10 minutes to get an extra 90 minutes of battery life. So that will be enough for a long walk or a quick workout session. And this case is so tiny that you can put it in your pocket and you will not even notice it. As well as, let's talk about the audio. And there's actually not too much to say about it, since you do not have the audio in your ear rather than right in front of the ear. That's why you do not get all of the bass, the highs and the lows. So it's more of a gadget for the office or something like in a quiet place. So I guess those are the two best places where you can make good use out of these earbuds. And guys, if you haven't liked the video yet, you can make sure to do it right quick and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And with that being said, I'll see you the next time. Peace.